Hello and welcome to News 19. This is Ananya. Why was Das denied by Bangladeshi court for the bail? Let's have a look at the report. Das was denied bail by a Bangladeshi court and sent to prison. Tricked protest by Hindus in various locations. A lawyer was killed and several others were injured during clashes. After India expressed deep concern over the arrest of ISKCON Bangladesh monk Chinmoy Krishna Das Brahmachari under sedition charges and urged Dhaka to ensure the safety of Hindus and all other minorities. The neighboring country, in a sharp reaction, said it does not interfere with the judiciary, which is fully independent. Calling it an internal matter, Dhaka in a statement said that it is with utter dismay and a deep sense of hurt that the Bangladesh government notes that the arrest of Das has been misconstrued by certain quarters since he has been arrested under specific charges. Dhaka said that the Indian government statement completely disregards that Bangladesh is determined to end the culture of impunity of the perpetrators of gross human rights violation against the people of the country. It added that the India's statement does not reflect the harmony that exists among the members of all faiths in Bangladesh. Such unfounded statements not only misrepresent facts but also stand contrary to the spirit of friendship and understanding between the two neighboring countries. The Bangladesh government said in the statement Das was arrested on sedition charges from Hazrat Sehjal International Airport area in Dhaka on Monday. He was denied bail by a Bangladeshi court and sent to prison. Triggered protests by Hindus in various locations including the capital Dhaka and port city of Chittorgram. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News 19.